Right, welcome back to another video. Yes, you read the title right. We have bought a project car for the channel. I've had this car for a little while and I've made videos on it already and I've done this the wrong way around, but you read the title right. I bought the cheapest Audi A3 8P in the country. I've had a lot of these cars. I really like them. Everyone who knows me knows I like them. I've had a lot of them. But yeah, I bought it for a really cheap price. It was definitely the cheapest in the country by a far mile. I'll put the price at the end of the video. Just go and show you around it. And yeah, look what we're dealing with. So, as I said, I've had it a little while now, but I'm going to start a build series on it, so I want to do it all properly. So, it's not the cleanest in the world, it's completely stock at the minute, 1.9 TDI, but we're going to do a massive build series on it. Going to do wheel upgrades, brake upgrades, engine mods, etc. I'm going to do a massive build series over a course of a few months, and then maybe take it up Santa Pod and take it up the strip and do loads of it. Be a cool series. So yeah, 1.9 TDI, need to get that taken off. Got a new wiper to go on. But yeah, it's pretty clean to be fair, it's not too bad. Fuel cap's a bit iffy, but not too bad. Yeah. Bog standard at the minute, but got a bit of rubbish in it at the minute, but so nice. Can do seat upgrade. I'm thinking maybe like an RS3 replica build with it, but I think that'd be quite cool, but not too sure. Maybe like flat bottom steering wheel, do loads like starliner, headliner, maybe black headliner and that. Flat bottom steering wheel, multifunction. Yeah, we'll do loads to it. Maybe like Apple CarPlay head unit. Yeah, there's loads I want to do to it. It's a really good starting platform. It is a PD105, so it's not a PD130, but that's maybe something we can sort out in the future. Not too sure. It's yeah, there's a PD105 here. So yeah, it's not quick by any means, but can definitely be made quick. You know, PD engines, they can be made quick quite easily. So a few bolt-ons. It's got PD130 injectors in it, so that's pretty good. And it's got an SDI camshaft. If you're into PDs, you know what that means. It's a bit better camshaft. But anyway, it's another little walk around. I'll show you bits. Like, it's not perfect. I was maybe thinking about wrapping it in the future, but it's got like bits on the one, like rust spots and that, little marks. It's not perfect by any means, but a bit of lacquer peel there. But I'll tell you in the video what I paid for it, because it was cheap. But yeah, headlights could do a polish. Yeah, definitely needs a private reg, 100%. People normally do black Audi badges and honeycomb. Not really a fan of them. Don't really like them. Maybe like blacked out grill, but I like to keep the chrome bits for some reason. Headlights definitely need a polish. Maybe window tints, I'm not too sure. Possibly S3 side skirts at some point. I do like them. They kind of go like down, so they're not nicer. But yeah, definitely a bigger wheel upgrade. I've got some wheels being refurbished at the minute. Can't really tell you too much. Might put a picture on screen now, but can't tell you what colour they're going. They're going a cool colour. You either love it or hate it. It's 50-50, but it'll definitely make the car look 10 times nicer. Maybe an exhaust, like Miltech exhaust or something. Not too sure. Definitely an S3 or RS3 rear bumper, because the bumper's a bit boring, but yeah, it's nice. White cars done properly do look quite nice, to be fair. So it's yeah, a little bit of surface corrosion on the sill there. They are still quite solid, so it's not too bad. But yeah, here is my 2009 Audi A3 8P Sportback, which was the cheapest in the country by a country mile. So this isn't going to be a long video, it's just going to show you around the car and that, but maybe wrap them gloss black or carbon fibre. But I'm going to wrap the car myself and that, and it'll be a cool build series. Make sure you stay tuned, hit that like button and subscribe for all the content to come. But it will be a good build series, really good. This is kind of the first major one on the channel, but hopefully it sparks something quite interesting. Yeah, so yeah, make sure you stay tuned. Maybe a roof spoiler and that. But back end on these cars are so clean, just so simple, but I like them. But yeah, No. Drop in the comments below what you want to see on this car, and maybe like carbon mirrors or stuff. Drop in the comments what you want to see below on the car. Any questions, or what you want me to see me do to the car, and what type of build you want to see. But I'm thinking ultimate kind of diesel, obviously because it's diesel, ultimate diesel build, ultimate sleeper. Be quite cool. So make it quite nippy. I want it to keep up some performance cars. I know people say, oh, why don't you go and get an S3? S3s are a lot of money, and they're a lot of money to insure, especially at a young age. So yeah, we're doing it on the realistic scale, so I'm not doing nothing crazy at the minute. But you can make them quick, and the chassis on them are great. They handle so good from factory. A rear anti-roll bar, coilovers, they handle amazing. Obviously strip the interior, but I don't want to do anything drastic like that. Just make it look nice and go nicely. So we'll see how we get on. But yeah, stay tuned for the build. Make sure you like and subscribe for all the content to come. And if you want to see anything done on the car, or any questions, or what they like to daily drive or own, just put it in the comments below. Yeah, thanks for watching. Boom. Oh yeah, forgot to mention in the video, I paid £400 for this car, so I don't think that's bad at all. It's a lot of car for money. I bought even out an MOT, and I put an MOT on it and did a few bits to it so far, but it's a lot of car for the money, as you can see. Yeah, so yeah, make sure you stay tuned, keep up with the content, make sure you like and subscribe, and any questions put in the comments below, or anything you want to ask me, and yeah, we'll crack on with the build. Boom.